How's it going, guys? It's Tate from Elite Rappers. I'm gonna go explaining about how to go about removing a wrap from a mirror. So it's best to go about peeling a corner, of course, to start it off. But you wanna kind of just take your time because the surface energy on some of the painted pieces on the plastic mirrors, or even some of the other pieces of the car, you may take the chance of peeling the paint. So just kind of open and lift the perimeter slowly. And typically up here, be careful because when you trim, sometimes you may cut into some areas and that may have a problem with lifting the paint. So we're gonna lift the whole perimeter first. And then from there, we're gonna more like kind of pop and like lift the film. Some films, yes, you can kind of roll over and pull, but sometimes it ends up leaving adhesive and stuff behind. So if you just do more of a pop and lift, your removal comes out clean.